Okay, so I'm making an intro for my video. We're going to Bliss, which is like this playground. We're leaving now. I can't even talk about it, but we are going, and yeah, I'll see you guys more. Yeah, go to that side. God, guys, I'm so tired. Oh my god. My siblings are playing, like, I kind of want to rest a bit, so yeah. This is like a biscuity type, like banana or the kind of biscuits inside. Ooh. Guys, so it's the next day and it's currently around 6 o'clock, so we're going to play some tennis. Okay guys, so this is my breakfast for today. I have some cocoa and some bone fruits. So I'm just going to eat this. I wasn't able to bring tennis because the court was so wet, but we're going to get ready to go to church. So yeah, but stay here guys along my day today. So now that I am kind of done with most of my stuff, I'm going to do some planning. So I haven't been able to plan next week or anything like that. So because yesterday we went out, came back, had to eat, go to bed, and then today we went to church and we are now home. So I've got so much to plan. I haven't done my weekly overview, which is like reviewing the week before, so I have to do that, and then I have to plan this week's goals and then some to-do list items for next week, because I think that's actually busy for me. I have stuff to do. So plus after next week, the next week is July, so I have to plan my reset video and like different stuff that I want to get done in July. So like I can't believe June is over, guys. We have a week more of June, like this week. Oh, we're done. Like, that's crazy, but yeah. Good to do this. I hope you guys are also planning your weeks and just preparing for the week ahead.